Okay, welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Here we have 2011 or 2008 Hyundai Elantra. Our problem was that the shifter is not working, even though the okay, what happened here now? I turned the ignition on, or the battery is dead. But we are trying to say that the shifter, even when you push the brake, the shifter is not moving from the place. And the reason for this one, it could be the brake switch, but we checked the brake switch, we found that the brake switch is working. And you hear here, you hear, start working now, you see? That means the shifter is good. Okay. Oh, the battery also is dead. Let me turn the key off. But the battery is just dead. But we check it out, and right now I just want to show you, if you want to take the shifter out, what you're going to do. Take the flathead screwdriver and go here and just pop this one up. You see here? You see? Pop this down. You want to go down. As soon as you go down here, let it go like this. Come here. You're going to get a flip screwdriver and turn it. Okay, move it slowly. I don't know, you have to take it all or just move it, I'm not sure. So let me see. I'm gonna move it completely. Okay. I'm gonna put this one here. Let's see if it's gonna come out. Yes. Believe me, I work in another cars, but I work in a lot of cars, but Hyundai and Kia, the way their technology is, last time you see the airbag module when you take it, the way they set up the stuff, well, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. They have very, very smart way of approaching car technology. Some cars, the way they did, okay, I'm going to disconnect this. This is for the light that here on the shifter. Okay. Be sure that everything is good. You see, this is the one that make you move the shifter front and back. You see, and it works with solenoid. If the brake light switch and it have a computer module somewhere around this area, that computer module sends signal to the shifter here to come out, to go in and out, and also it have to receive information from the safety neutral switch. Computer must be in neutral. If you don't have those, check all this and check all the fuses, backup camera, radio fuse, stoplight fuse. Be sure that everything is work. Power ground on the module also must be available before you judge and change this one here. Right now, like, everything is working, but also the safety neutral switch, if it's no good, it's corroded, it's make this problem. So be sure that everything is okay. And I just show you how you take this one out, shifter control module, how you take it out, the knob, and then you check your stuff, and then you put them back. Very simple, very easy. Here we have the airbag control module as usual. That means if you want to take the airbag control module, just move those stuff out and take it out. And beside this one here, I see we have a lot of money, almost $1. I see one here, 2, 3, 4. That means it's good. We have 75 cents, and we have one here also. That also like 10, 5 cents. Good. Okay. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad. I want to show you where the shifter control module is. It's here. This is the shifter. It's sitting here. Sometimes corrosion can cause some this one not turning correctly, but be sure that you take it out, and be sure before you do any judgment, either you're going to change this one. If it doesn't send signal good, if it put the car in limp mode, okay, be sure that it's okay, and put it back. If it's no good, fix it. This is a car, beautiful work. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Idris. See you in another video.